Sorry about the light coming in, but you know, we're getting ready for the Maui sunset and all. I have to put this back on here because we're using this as a little coupling. Okay, got that on snug. Now I can put the cover plate on like yay, and then I can screw this back on there. And I like to get, that's the part right up next to the wall. That's a good one to get tight. You know, the one on your TV, I like to do that one just snug with your fingers. But this one here is probably a good idea to get snug. Okay. In fact, yeah. Okay. That's looking good. Now see, after I screw that up, see, I can just push some of that right down in like that, can't I? Just like that. I'm liking that. And in fact, I could twizzle this up like that, coming up to the TV. I think I like that even more. And so as I twist, I got to make sure that this thing is going to stay tight. Okay. And it's looking tight. In fact, before I push this back in the wall, I'm going to double check my tightness on there, because it's funny, you think you have it tight and then you just move it just ever so little in either direction and you could loosen it up depending how tight it really is. Okay, so you just have to Joe Guyver stuff once in a while. And if you're really concerned about bugs going through there after you push that in, you can put some caulking around that if you wanted. You know. Okay. We've got that. And I'm going to check my tightness and flip this up. See, just by turning that, I just loosen this. That's as easy as it is to loosen. Okay, so I'm going to have to really bear down on that. Hold that right there and get this other one tight. There. Okay. Now I can tighten this other one too. Okay. There we go. Now I'm going to put the TV back up there and do another little mock and see how all this goes. That way I can figure out if I need to do this tighter, because I've got to hook that into the TV and all that kind of good stuff. Okay? Think about your project step by step. You can do it. That's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos